How are we going on, guys? Back today with another end of week update. As you guys know, this is a little series that I'm running here on Instagram where I provide you guys with a good insight on how the people over in the VIP chat are performing week by week. So just to jump straight into things, last week was probably one of the best weeks that we've ever had here at LAGFX. And I'm talking not just this year, but over the course of the last 7 years. As you all know, I've been in the industry a very, very long time. And I've experienced some amazing trades over the course of that time. However, last week, there were 4 opportunities that generated us with way over 50% in returns, all whilst risking 1% per trade placed. So just to break it down a little bit, we started the week off with a Great British Pound to the Japanese yen long trade. So this was a buy position, and this went on to generate us with 22% in returns. We then saw an opportunity there on gold. We wanted to see price trade down and into a higher time frame demand zone before taking off to set a new impulsive wave. So because of that, we had to look for areas of supply for price to trade up and into to give us a refined entry in order to short the market before we go long. And that's exactly what we did. Now that trade went on to generate just over 22% in returns as well. And then later on in the week, I provided the clients in the VIP chat with 2 trading signals, both of which on gold. Now, one of them was a re-entry for the short position, trade in the corrective wave down and into the demand zone. And the second position was actually a long trade riding the new impulsive wave that was being printed in the markets. Now, the re-entry for the short gave us a return of about 5.5%, so nothing too crazy. However, the second position that we sent out as a signal generated us with 14% in returns. So over the course of the week, we had accumulated just over 60% in returns from 4 trading opportunities. Now, I know this doesn't seem realistic, but best believe it is. And you'll see that throughout this video, I have provided you with a screen recording of our VIP chat, the trades from start to finish, as well as the signals provided. And I'm also going to pop up some of the profits that I generated personally from those trades. When you've been in the industry as long as I have, you will find ways of minimizing risk whilst maximizing profit. And that is exactly what we have done this week. If you aren't involved in Forex, but you're interested, then drop me a message or leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But with all that being said, people, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you all in our next update.